Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert Excel to PDF in Landscape. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have data. So this data I'm going to convert to PDF in Landscape page. So click on the File tab, then click on the Print option and here you can see the Print Preview. So this page is a portrait orientation. So this page I'm going to convert in Landscape. Okay. So here have an option, the orientation. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the landscape orientation. In landscape orientation, you can see here the total data is showing. But in portrait, you can see the last column is quantity and in landscape, the last column is a location. It's mean if you want total data in one page, you can change this orientation accordingly. Okay. So here I'm going to convert this Excel data to PDF in landscape. So I select here the landscape. Then in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow. Then click on the Microsoft Print to PDF. It means this Excel file going to convert PDF. Select it option. Then click on the print option. Okay. That's it. Your data is converted to PDF. So here you can see the one dialog box is open, save print output as. Select the destination where you want to save this. So I select here the desktop, okay? And just I enter the name of the file. So I just enter PD, okay? And click on the save. That's it. And I'll go to the desktop and here you can see the PDF is saved. I just double click on it and you can see the data is saved in landscape page. Okay. So hope you can see here the last column is the location. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.